Hey guys, welcome back to my Kitchen of Vegan Iniquity, where I only have half of this left because I had a technical difficulty with my video, and I ate half of it without realizing that I was going to have to record over again. So, this is something I've been intending to try for a very long time, but they stopped carrying puff pastry sheets at my local market. They were only carrying shelves, so I thought, well, I'm not gonna, go far away just for a puff pastry sheet. So they finally got them back in the store, so I went ahead and made one. I learned about them from all the outrage in the UK when Gregg's came out with their vegan sausage roll. So I thought, well, I was talking to Mita's Murder about it, and I thought I should try to make one myself. So finally I got around to it. I thought out a Beyond sausage, and you have to flatten them out a little bit. And then I encased it in a sheet of puff pastry, and I will have the recipe on my blog and linked in the description. So let me have another. I already know it's good because I ate half of it, but I'll have another bite just for the sake of the video. No brown sauce to dip it in. I think that's what you guys have these with. Doesn't need it though, it's really good. I wasn't sure I would like this pastry with the sausage inside, but it's actually quite delicious, and I can see why they're very popular over in the UK. So thanks for watching, commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, visiting my community tab. Uploads every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday. Community posts Monday and Friday. If I do a short, it'll go up on Wednesday. And when I do kitty videos, I'll put them on Saturday. So thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.